guys, and how's it going? Hope you're having a great day because I am. Yeah. So I've not been posting many PUBG videos because I was focused on Call of Duty. But man, oh my god. They've added like helicopters, guys. Literal real helicopters in the game. RPGs, grenade launchers, and the Desert Eagle pistol. The Desert Eagle pistol. That's like one of the best pistols in real life too. Yeah, so I've not been posting for so many days because I was working on my PUBG skills. I was crap at the game and I still am. Oh god. Yeah, and I got a skin somehow just for logging in. Wait, no, 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 no. Wait, what was that? What was that? What was that? Oh, those are just shoes. Nobody will like shoes. Come on. Yeah. So, and actually, it's a new play mode. Wait, what? Zombie Survival Dawn? Is that Pennywise? Okay, I'm gonna be making a video on that soon. But right now we're focusing on the play mode, in which there's the RPG, the grenade launcher, and of course the helicopter. Sprays. Wait. Where are the sprays? Yeah, there are the sprays. Oh god, the match already started. Great. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos if you like them, of course, and turn on that little bell button if you wanna be updated with all my videos. Thank you. God, I have to start posting more often. And a few of my subscribers just went up a notch, so I'm pretty happy with that. Guys, I've showed you this in a previous video, but there's a secret place in this map where you can get free clothes. That guy is blocking my way. Get the hell out of the way, sir. Sir, please. Oh god, I hate this. Oh, I made it. I'm a legend. I'm a bloody freaking legend. Okay, I just gotta land here. Holy frick! Oh yes! There's some. No! 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 Why? Why no? God damn! I when I don't like talk to people, what do I do? This. Yeah, that's better. Oh, that's a nice plain skin. Guys, I want to show you something. I'm gonna land inside that factory tube. I may have done this before. Many people have, of course. Yeah, let me not do it. You must have seen it. It's not worth doing. So anyways, let's get an RPG. Will we find a helicopter? Will we find a helicopter, God? Oh god damn. Great. I've not even played this play mode and there are so many people here. I'm going there. I'm going that way. I'm going that way. Oh god, freaking great. I'm gonna die, okay? Guys, so don't worry, I'm already dead. I'm pretty sure. Run. Open the door. Okay. Vehicle repair system, of course. And yeah, now we got a grenade launcher. We just got a grenade launcher. Wait, behind us. Yeah. Is this a grenade launcher? I'm pretty sure it's not, but... Oh, that's a grenade launcher. That is a grenade launcher, alright. What the hell? What's up? What the hell? I'm gonna kill you with my grenade launcher, of course. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Oh god. So, note to self, a grenade launcher isn't that great for close range fights and frick, I'm gonna die. What the hell just happened? Who the heck shot me? I just got grenaded to the face. Oh my god. That's great. Will anybody pick up my ID card? Please? Nobody. Great. So let's get in another match and let's try to win. Fifth, and that's really embarrassing considering I was a pretty great player before. Okay, I just need a warm up. Let's go again. And I tried to use a grenade launcher close range, so I won't make that mistake again. No, never ever. Yeah. Royal Pass missions cannot be completed. Oh, great. Start. Yeah, like I was doing. Oh, I have a hero screen. Let's use that. Come on. Why do I need to get a video for this? God, PUBG's changed, man. This is the first time I'm playing PUBG in like months. Months. And I really want to get a helicopter. Really want to get a helicopter. That'd be so great. That'd be great. Does my mic work? Wait, is it on? Wait, is my mic on? Is my mic on? Wait, I need to see if my mic's on. Yes, it's on. Great. Let's get those clothes. I mean, I already have clothes, but yeah, you know what I mean. They're cooler. Those clothes are much cooler. Come on, run, you stupid god. Jump, idiot. Come on, let's go. Yeet. Crouch. Up, stand up, idiot. Jump. Come on, climb up. Oh. Why am I naked? I just became naked, guys. I just became God. That's sad. I'm in my underwear with a leather coat right now. In the game. You can look that. You can see that, right? You can see that, right? I'm literally just wearing a leather coat. What the hell, man? God damn it. I need pants. I really need pants. Oh god. My teammates are coming with me, I guess. Hi, teammates. Come on down. Oh my god, what the heck? Yep, just freaking. Okay, stun grenade, nope. Don't need that. Crossbow, let's take it for now. Shotgun! We can take a shotgun. Hi, Mr. Shotgun. What do we have here? And I'll take a scorpion. Bye. Oh, wait. Scorpion's a handgun. I've never actually tried the scorpion. What is that? I want the Mini 14. Get that out of here. Holy frick. What the Oh. Did I knock this guy out? Oh, yeah. Get the Mini 14 out of here. Wait. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now let's go and get more supplies because I really need to get more supplies. Or should we kill our teammate? Because I have a grenade, I can blow him up pretty easily. Let's take an SKS actually. It's like a sniper shotgun, like a pump shotgun. No ammo, nothing. Come on. Okay. Oh, let's check there. Nope. Nope. I would take it, but I have a scar, so don't really need it now, do I? Wow, I get really quiet during my videos. You guys must be really bored after some time. I should learn editing. Yeah. Maybe I'll edit this video. There's a jeep there. Yeah. Okay, where's the jeep? Where's the jeep? Oh, here it is. Somehow it teleported behind me. Great. Magic. Now, let's go and find some houses. Yay. This jeep is incredibly slow somehow. Come on, jeep. Oh, there's a house. And freaking hell, there's a guy. Okay, wait. I'm gonna shotgun this guy. Dude, you're such a bot. I just shotgun him in the face. Come on, man. Come on. Have some self-esteem. And I still don't have a scope. How am I gonna win this? Find out next time on Shine, please. Why did I do that? That was such a bad impression of everything. Okay, I'll just take a VSS. VSS, come on. I can take all the gauge out. Yeah, and let's just take Mr. Scorpion out. Scorpion. Okay, I don't know how to take it out. I'm a bot at this game. Great. Freaking hell. Okay, what the frick? Okay, what is this? I forgot to see what this is. It's a grenade launcher, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Come on. Open the damn door. Super weapon crate! What the freaking hell? Okay, am I number 3? We gotta go and get the super weapon crate. Come on, let's go. Jump. And we are gonna die of storm. We can't die of storm. Let's go. We gotta run. We gotta seriously run. Yep, the storm's coming. Okay. We gotta go. We have to get to that super weapon crate. No, not that. Oh god, I hate this. Oh wait, we gotta get there. Let's just remove the marker. We gotta get to that bridge. And there's a car there. Beautiful car. Come on. Is that a new car? Is that a new car, guys? Or am I just dreaming and that's just a Jeep? Yup, I'm pretty sure that's a new car. And I left my Jeep behind. And I'm pretty sure we can't get in it. Please tell me we can get in it. No. No damn way. Holy crap. But this car is incredibly slow. And what the hell was that? Is this some kind of Land Rover or something? But we seriously have to go. Yes. You gotta get the speed boost. Come on. Okay, we can't turn here. Now we can turn here. Turn. Yup. I thought you were a Land Rover. God. Can't even climb up anything. What kind of Land Rover is that? There's a guy behind us, but I don't care right now. I would have gone and killed him. Probably would have killed him. But okay, now it's actually getting pretty fast. Okay, turn. Come on, turn. Come on, get the super crate. Get the super crate. We need that super crate. The super crate has spawned, man. Super crate has spawned. So close. Oh shit! No. Let's go. Come on. Okay, wait. We're not gonna get that super crate now. Very sure. 99.9% sure. We're not gonna get that super crate. You're lagging so hard right now. And we just ran out of goddamn fuel. Oh god. This is not great. The only thing I can do is... What? I guess I ran over somebody? Did I run over somebody? Yeah, I didn't notice that super crate has not spawned. Oh, I can see it. I can see the light. There it is. Wait, there's a guy there. I don't know where I just bombed somebody. Out of nowhere. Those guys have the helicopter. Okay, I'm just gonna take the helicopter from them. Okay. Wait up, guys. Please, just wait up for your buddy. Come on. There's an RPG here. Yay. Yep, I'm stealing the helicopter. Bye. Isn't it fun to just steal helicopters from your friends? Just kidding, let's just go back down. Because we are good people. Come on. Yeah, I can't drive this thing. Oh, let's see how high can we go. Yeah, I can't drive. Let's go. What the hell? You can do that? Where the hell has it spawned? Okay, we gotta go there. Yup. Super great weapon has spawned here. Let's go get it. Come on, let's go. Nobody else will get it. Nope. Run. Oh yeah. AWM. I'm taking that in. Airstrike beacon, guys. We got an airstrike beacon. Just a minute. Okay, guys. There's a guy here. There's a guy here. There's a guy here. He's dead. This. Okay. 2x scope will go on. Dude, yeah. Okay. How many people are left? 29 only. That's awesome. My teammate just took my helicopter. Why would he do that? I took the helicopter away from him, but that doesn't mean he can take it away from me. That's just unfair, dude. Come on. Now I'm just a man walking in the grasslands. Oh, there's my helicopter. My teammate's a good guy. Finally, thank you. But I have just one complaint with PUBG. Why did they add a pan to the game? You could have added anything. Let's see how high up can we go. Oh, this is the max height. What happens if we crash into something? Probably explode, right? Let's crash into the ground. Oh, nothing happened. Cool. Let's just fly around at max height. Oh shoot, the circle has changed. Let's go in the circle again. What are those? Oh, those are just lights. Okay, we're in the circle now. Any other crate? Nope. Let's go to Pochinki. Let's go to Pochinki. About turn. We're gonna take an about turn. Yup. Is there nobody here? Oh. Well, I jumped from the helicopter. I pulled out a parachute and the helicopter landed on me. Now that's amazing. And what happened to my camera? He's down. And he's down. I just deleted everybody. And next time, please let me use my kit. Come on. Be a good person here. Let's just drink your energy drink. Yep, that's better. And let's get your stuff too. Oh my god, these people. Just keep on coming. Well, I'm lagging a lot. Medkit! Give me that medkit, come on. 6x scope, we need that. Yes. Oh. Come on. Yes, that is awesome, man. Okay, I'm just gonna snipe everybody now. The only thing better to get will be an ETEC scope. I can just... Yeah, I can't do that. Okay, can we see from this? Nope. Okay. Let's get back in my helicopter. Come on. Let's go, heli. Yep. Let's go, come on. Yeah, and that is some crazy lag. And we're gonna just... No. Yes. That was so close, we just could have died there. Is there anybody there? Oh my god! I just got a kill there. Like, oh my god, craziest kill of my life. Oh my. Oh hey. Dude, come on. What is happening? I just got the craziest kill and this phone is not even working properly. Come on, please don't lag on me right now. Thank God. Oh hey bud, let me just get in with you. Just put on a medkit. Huh. That medkit didn't even work. Oh, it did. Okay, that was wrong. But seriously, did you guys see that shot? I think that was impressive. The guy was just sitting there and I just shot him under. That was awesome. You just drove off without me, dude. That is so mean. Oh, I forgot I had this. The beacon. Yup, run. Yep, we gotta run. Pretty sure my teammate's dead. Oh, he's just alive. Just alive. Why is it lagging so much, dude? Oh, my friend's car is there. Oh, friend. My buddy. Wait up, please. Dude. I wanna snipe you. Come on, where are you? I think I saw him. Buddy, where are you? In a house? Holy sh... Oh, hey, buddy. This isn't laser tag, man. This is too easy. Come on. I'm getting medkits. So many medkits today. Oh, we have so won this thing. Yeah, my teammates don't know what to do, so they are just wrecking everything. Wait a minute, I think I saw the last guy. There's only one guy left. We are the last squad. He can't even win right now, dude. Zero chance. I swear, I'm pretty sure this guy's... Okay, he's not here. Buddy. Where are you? Come on. Dude, this video is taking way longer than I thought. Seriously, where is he? Wait, is that guy in the bush? But these guys hiding somewhere. Oh no. 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 Oh my god, no. 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 Yup, I'm ending my video here. God. Okay, I'm ending my video. I hate this so much. Oh my god.